Today we are unboxing the RocHobby 1941 NB Scaler. Let's get this baby out of the box.
2, 3, 4, the occupation behind blue.
And here we have a listing of all the specs for the body, the chassis, the electronics. Don't worry, we're going to go over all of this. Check out this box. This thing is next level. I've never seen an RC vehicle packaged this way. It has this really cool sort of carrying case aspect to it. It's not only for storage, but also great for transportation. Wow, check that out. Look at this thing. Let's get this out of the case and take a closer look. And we have the handy instruction manual. Also included is the two-piece controller. Let's take another look at this case again. I'm really impressed with this. It's so well constructed and it's going to keep the Jeep safe for storage and transporting. It's just really well built. Now let's take a closer look at the Jeep. It's also known as the Willys Jeep. They have really made this vehicle to scale. We have an all-terrain 324mm wheelbase with an all-wheel drive and grippy tires. A fold-away windshield that latches into place for the upright position. Attached on the side here are the windshield wipers, and the metal bar is actually a brace. This holds up the body for easy battery installation. And we're just going to put these windshield wipers on. They just snap into place here, and they are also adjustable. The hood opens up to display the injection molded engine, and I love the added detail of the hood support. And we're probably going to paint this engine compartment to really make it pop. But yeah, that's the engine compartment. Here we have more detail with the cloth seats and pre-painted shovel and axe. As well as the jerry can with a fabric strap. This is actually removable. And we have a functional spare tire. Just overall great scale and detail on this Jeep. Add to that the adjustable oil-filled shocks, and this is a great crawler. Now let's take a look under the body. First we need to remove the two body pins. Here you'll gain access to the battery compartment. This is where the body support comes into play. Just pop it in the hole in front of the battery compartment and then brace it on one of the holes of the body. Now you are hands-free to install your battery. This is a true ladder frame chassis design with a nice sized battery compartment and has a linear gear reduction set. The Jeep runs on a 550 size 35T motor, which provides fantastic torque. It has a fully waterproof receiver and Hobby Wing 1060 brush DSC, a 2.4 GHz fully proportional compact radio system, dual channel EPA and reverse functions with digital trim. Also on the back we have a trailer hitch for the optional trailer, which we will be getting.
We like to be heroes, but all that we do is march. And they don't give the purple.
Now, as far as the battery goes, we've opted for the Electron Pro 50C. It is a lithium polymer battery. Make sure your battery has the XT60 connector. We also went ahead and bought some Velcro straps to secure the battery, and we're just going to install those really quick and get this battery strapped down.
The floor has the prettiest flowers, but we can't make it pass. The floor has the prettiest flowers, but we can't make it pass. Cause the always I say keeping it right.
These fit perfectly and snug everything up nicely. Once the battery's plugged in, you'll automatically have power. You'll know this not just by sound, but headlights and an anti-aircraft light as well. Now let's pop the batteries into the controller. It takes 4 AA batteries. I'm going to put the clip back in place and attach the handle. Now we power it up. And one of my favorite things, check this out. It has a servo-driven steering wheel. That is so realistic. The Jeep conveniently fits a 1/6 12-inch figure like Tom here. He is a Dragon World War II 82nd Airborne soldier. We bought the Jeep for him, and he is ecstatic. Look at how happy he is. If you'd like us to do a video and learn more about Airborne Tom, leave a comment below. We also bought Tom the 1941 MB Scalar 50 cal machine gun, and we have the optional roof canvas on the way so he can stay out of the elements. And that was our RocHobby MB Scalar. Stay tuned next time because we are taking the Jeep out on an actual 82nd Airborne drop zone, and you're not going to want to miss that.